You called that person who gave you the directions to Dobsonville, where you realized that that person was also inyanga of accused one.
Uthi-ke kwafuna uthi-ke ubaba uNgomezulu kubeka-ke kumukhula ukuthi nina nafonela-ke lowo mlisa lo noma lowo muntu loyo owanibonisa noma-ke wanilayela ukuthi-ke indlela kuhanjwa kanjani ukufika lapho kanti naye loyo muntu kwatholakala-ke ukuthi uyinyanga yakhe umsolwa wokuqala.
Slowly, because I want to understand.
This was, as we mentioned, during the proceedings of the 21st of November 2023. Just want to get to that portion. November 2023, page 55, line 21, Mr. Mngomezulu. Accused one will deny that because he instructed me to say that his phone was switched on. Then you made a call to the person who reflected to be Umkhulu on his phone.
Kwathiwa-ke ubaba uNgomezulu masebeka-ke lowo mbuzo kuMokhula mhla ka-21 kuNovemba kunyaka 23 wathi-ke umangalelo waqala uzokuphika lokho ngoba-ke uthi yena umangalelo waqala wena Mokhula waswitcha ifoni walayita ifoni yakhe maqeda lapho wafonela inamba ekwakutholakala-ke ukuthi ibhalwe Umkhulu.
You called that person who gave you the directions to Dobsonville?
Uthi-ke umbaba uNgomezulu kuMokhula nafonela-ke lowo muntu owanibonisa-ke noma-ke wanilayezela-ke ukuthi nizofika kanjani kuleyo ndawo yase-Dobsonville.
Where you realize that that person was also inyanga of accused one.
Lapho-ke nabona khona-ke noma nathola khona ukuthi lowo muntu loyo onilayezayo ukuthi nize nifike kanjani eDobsonville naye uyinyanga yakhe umangalelo wokuqala.
Lento le ngiphinde ngiyibeke kanje umshushisi einsukwini ezendlule yena ngokwakhe uke wenza imistake ngerecord wakhomba inamba wathi line number 24 ekhuluma ngepholo maqede mabe bethola ukuthi akusiwona u24 wathi wenze imistake.
I would like to bring it to this court attention that in the past days, the prosecutor has made a mistake with regards to the lines and the records. Then he said that there was a line 24, and later it was discovered that it was not a line 24, and then he said that it was a mistake.
So ngebhadi ubaba Mngomezulu akasekho ukuthi ayikhulumele ukuthi wangiunderstanda kanjani uma ngimchazela lenkulumo.
It is with unfortunate that Mr. Mngomezulu is not here before there is no more and is not able to say whether there is a part or a portion where he made a mistake or not.
Njengoba namanje ngiyiphinda umuntu owayalela amaphoyisa la kuhlala khona uMagwaza yimi masifika eSoweto.
And I still maintain and repeat that the person who gave directions to Mokhula and them, it was myself in Dobsonville in Soweto.
Yes.
Akazi bezibelayo lo muntu osefoni ngoba masifika eSoweto bathi mina angibadirect la kuhlala khona uMagwaza eSoweto yimi ngahamba ngawubabonisa la kuhlala khona uMagwaza eDobsonville.
I'm the one who pointed out to Magwaza's place of residence. On our arrival at Dobsonville, they said to me that I should point where Magwaza stays.
Njengoba ngisho anginayo inamba ebhalwe ukuthi Mkhulu efonini yami.
And as I've already made mention of the fact that I do not have a Magwaza's number on my cell phone.
And umuntu abamfonela
sorry, a number Mkhulu's number on my cell phone.
And umuntu abamfonelayo akusiyena uMkhulu uMagwaza umuntu abamfonelayo.
And the person that they called, it's not Mkhulu, it's Magwaza.
Babefika eSoweto uMabhena wangicela ukuthi angibadirect la kuhlala khona uMagwaza.
On our arrival in Soweto, Mabena requested me to give them directions of where Magwaza resides.
ngabathatha ngabasala ukuhlala khona uMagwaza.
I then took them to Magwaza's residence,
uMagwaza mina angimazi njengenyanga.
and I do not know Magwaza as a traditional healer.
Your comment about the mistake regarding the passage, the page is in fact wrong, and that is on record, but we leave it at that.
Ukuphawula kwakho mayelana nendaba yama-page ke i-wrong. Ikhona lapha i-record elichazayo ukuthi kwaku-page bani ku-line bani.
Yes.
No,
So
bengishola ukuthi ngoba umshushisi washo yena ngomlomo wakhe ukuthi wenze imistake mayethi u24 kungesiwona u24 washo ngomlomo wakhe ukuthi wenze imistake. So ngishola ukuthi uMgomezulu mhlawumbe nabantu ukhona ngabe uyasho ukuthi wangi-understanda kanjani mangimchazela le nkulumo le engayimchazela.
No, what I'm trying to get at is that you've made a mistake, and you've admitted that you've made a mistake. And if Mr. Mgomezulu was here with us, he was going to also indicate whether he got correctly my instructions or not.
yes, we leave it at that because you're completely wrong. That's not what happened.
Uthi-ke sizoyishiya kanjalo ngoba kusiyiloko kwenzakele.
Kodwa lokho kwenzakale yikho lokho engikushoyo.
But what happened is what I'm saying before this court.
I see that you're making your best endeavors to distance yourself from the name Umkhulu.
Can you please repeat that, Mr. Rama?
I see that you're making it your best endeavor to distance yourself from the name Umkhulu.
Uthi umshushisi uyabona ke ukuthi wenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ke ukuthi wena uziqhalanise nalo daba noma ke negama leli elithi mkhulu.
Ngiyaphinda futhi akekho umuntu engimazi ngegama elithi mkhulu.
I still repeat that there is no person that I know by the name of Mkhulu.
Omkhulu bami abazali baba mina ngibabiza ngomkhulu.
That would be of my grandfathers, but that I would refer to them as Mkhulu.
Kodwa futhi mangibhala amafoni abo angiwabhala ukuthi mkhulu ngoba beba ngaka nje ngiwabhala ngamagama abo.
But upon recording their cell phones on my their cell phone numbers on my number, I would not write them as Mkhulu. I'd write their names.
You have just mentioned that Magwaza is not a traditional healer.
Uqeda ukusho ukuthi manje uMagwaza kusiyona inyanga.
Ngithi uMagwaza ngimazi njengenyanga.
I said that I do not know Magwaza as a traditional healer.
We've just quoted a passage, and we'll quote it again during the proceedings of 22 November 2023, page 3, where Mr. Mgomezulu said the following at line 13. Mr. Mgomezulu, it is further my instruction that you immediately contacted that person who later you learned it is Mr. Magwaza, who is the nyanga that accused one is using.
Uyaqhubeka ke enkulumeni yakhe uMr. Mgomezulu eqondise kuye ke uMogola ethi ke kuloko kushiwo wena ukuthi ke baqhubeka bafonela lo muntu ke owababonisa ke ukuthi ke uMagwaza Can you please repeat that Magwaza is?
It's his inyanga.
Ukuthi ke uMagwaza uyinyanga yakho.
Ngiphinde ngiyaphinda uMagwaza angimazi njengenyanga.
I still repeat that I do not know Magwaza as a traditional healer.
And akasiyi inyanga yami.
And he is not my traditional healer.
So you also distance yourself from this proposition by Mr. Mgomezulu.
Uyaziqhelanisa futhi nale nkulumo eyenziwa uMnumzana Mgomezulu.
Ngikhuluma mina into engiyaziyo nento engiyizelela eboxini uthi ngizochaza engikwaziyo.
I'm only stating what I know, and the reason for me to come here in this witness box to come and explain what I know.
What was the relationship between you and Mr. Magwaza? Can you just maybe repeat that?
Ubudlelwane bakho ke phakathi kwakho noMnumzana Magwaza kwakubudlelane obunjani noma ubudlelane obunjani?
Umuntu engimazi ngimjwayele 2020 ngabo January.
It is just a normal relationship of a person that was known to that I started knowing in 2020 January, around January.